This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey guys, hi and welcome back to Talent Buddy. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to hide a folder, a secret folder. So these steps are very easy and this will be very beneficial. So now I'm just creating a sample folder which will be secret folder. Okay, and I assume that I have a secret files in this. So I just need to select that folder as I'm doing. Just right click on the folder and now select properties. So in the properties you will be able to see the option as hidden. Just click on that and apply, then hit on the OK button. So right after applying, the folder will be invisible and you won't be able to see anywhere on the wherever the folder is exists. So in order to see that folder you need to go to my computer, or you can also say this PC. Alright, so there you will be finding an option as view. Just click on that and you will be able to see show hidden files. Just click on that and now you will be able to see your hidden folder as you are able to see here. Alright, so if I'll just show you this. See, the folder is still hidden unless and until you uncheck that folder, it will be still hidden only. Okay, so in order to unhide, you just need to click and follow this procedure and then this folder will be unhide. So this as I'm creating this again in order to show you, just see this. How it will go. See, when I'm clicking on hidden, the folder is immediately getting hidden. Okay, you can say this. Alright, so that's all for the day guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if the video is useful. Thank you.